Meet the HydroTracer HT3, the only moisture analyzer made exclusively for plastics processors, and it's as easy to use as a single-serve coffee maker. Plus, it's portable and sets up in a snap, so you're ready for testing in no time. User-friendly software with preloaded polymer recipes and step-by-step video guidance ensures a streamlined, error-free process. Weigh your sample and load it in. Insert the test pad. Press start and get lab-accurate results in minutes, complete with an automatically generated PDF report. So easy to use. Gold standard precision at a fraction of the cost. And you can take it from lab to production line with ease. HydroTracer HT3 by Aboni.